Hello guys, so today I'm going to be showing you guys on how to make massive profit, and you can see we are making massive profit already with no doubts. This is our volatility 75 and we are trading derivative in case you are actually new in this market. This particular video is for you if you are actually a beginner in forex trading. Maybe you are looking for where to learn or how to learn or be a professional trader in this particular market. This video is for you, so watch till the end and don't forget to like, comment and share this video to as many as you can. And don't forget to message me because I will be dropping my links in my comment section and in my bio. Don't forget to message me for an account management. uh I will be managing your account. Please, minimum of management should be $100, but you can also join my free Telegram channel where I'll be sharing a lot of signals and where I'll be showing you guys on how to make massive profit and on how to be a professional trader in no time. Don't forget to join my VIP Telegram channel in case you are not there already. Please message me to join my free uh Telegram channel and my VIP Telegram channel. Alright. Let's go back to this market. Already you see how profitable we are actually in this market. You see the reversal, you see the reason why I penetrate into this market because of this particular reason, and you see this market is going to go massively down to the earth, and this market is not ever going to stop. If we are going to be in this market, we are going to make a lot of profit. This market is a profitable market, is a good market to go in. As you can see, we are actually making a lot of profit and we are increasing in our massive profit. You see the withdraw button to show you guys that this market, this particular account uh, is not a demo account, whatever you guys call it. This is actually a company account. This is actually a company account I'm managing. So in case you are coming into my DM for an account management, I have rules and regulation, so you know. So this is actually a perfect trade that anybody can enter. I will have to tell you guys on how to make a massive profit, on how to reduce your fast loss, or should I say your risk of losing in this particular market. First of all, let me tell you guys something that is very important in market trade that none of you guys know about, or the other professional traders don't tell you guys, but I'm going to tell you in this particular video. It is called take profit uh and uh and take loss. I don't know if you know about it, but this is the particular uh, value that you need to know about this market in order not to lose. You know, when you close it in the forex trade, your brain will reset and you'll be like, damn, I've lost a lot of money. Or maybe when you are losing and you close, because definitely 50% of the beginners don't close when they are to lose or when they are losing already in the market. They will have to leave the market to reverse or something. They'll have to be praying, let this market reverse so that it will go profit for me. Nah, that's not how to trade. You have to get minimum of loss. No matter how you think that market is going to reverse and go to your way, you have to close at that minimum of loss. Yeah, that's it. And mind you, taking profit is also important in the market. Yes, because you don't know when the market is going to reverse. I told one of my friends that okay, why the reason why we would do or put take profit, we already know that the market is going to go massively or massively X profits, like massively profit. But we take profit at our own given time. Let me just say, every morning I'm going for 1K dollars, or maybe I'm going for 2K dollars, or 3K or 5K dollars in a row. But reason is because okay, I saw in this market, I saw a very wonderful market that could give me 20k dollars if I wanted to. Okay, if I wanted to, that this market is going to give me 20k dollars, then I go into the market. I left the market without putting my take profit. Before you know, the market reverses and start going down. Before you know, all your accounts will be lost. So what I'm expecting you to do here is to budget. Okay, this market is going massively profit. This market is going to go massive. So let's check how profitable could be in this particular region. And when we check it, then we'll put our take profit there. Yeah, we'll put our take profit there. Then we'll come a little bit, put our take loss there. Yes, we have to apply that. It's very important in forex trading, so that when you get to that point, the market closes without you even closing it. Because if you say, okay, I'm going to go and close this market, but I have to wait for this market to go and $10K, before you know it, you'll find out that at the end of the day, your account will start going to loss or reverses. I'm not praying, but it happens. Your account will start going to loss. You start dragging for profit, or you start losing, you start finding difficulties, you start causing the forex trading. That's your fault, because you are not following instruction. That my friend right there is very dangerous. And another thing that I understand in market that is very, very, very dangerous is revenge. Mindset. Revenge. Some of us that actually funded 1k dollars going to market, and we raised it from 1k dollars to 5k dollars, and at the end of the day, we are laughing, we are happy, and at the end of the day, we blew the account at the end. Yeah, we blew everything. We blew the account that we can't even see $1 in the account. And maybe we decided to fund another 2k dollars. Then all our mindset is that we are going to 10k dollars. We are getting the 10k dollars today because they have eaten us a lot. So we want to go and revenge and risk it and take profit and blah 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 blah. Some of you guys succeed because of luck. Some of you guys didn't succeed because of bad shit and because of area of understanding. You can't use your I want to take revenge mindset and go into a forex trading that will really end your life. You need to adapt. You need to make sure you don't you don't even think or have any big take profit or stuff. You have to go through it a little by a little. That's that's for a fact. That's one thing I understand in forex trading, and I'm here to show you guys uh one thing I understand in forex trading. You know, this is actually one thing that I was actually having a little bit mistake in. That I met my friend Benson. He told me, okay, bro, okay, I've been doing this same mistake for a long time, but I decided to change, and guess what? It's actually working for me. You should do the same. This take profit and stop loss. Yes, it's very important in market. So in case if you are going to lose, then your market closes, you have to just take patience. Maybe you have to leave the market for like 1 hour or 2 hours before you go into market. And when you are going into market, don't analyze or don't give this mindset that you wanna actually take revenge, or you wanna make all the profit back to your own taste. That's wrong. That's totally wrong. Please don't do that. Okay. So for you guys that are actually uh been in this market for long, and you are still not making any move or growing or making any a little move in the market, please put it to my DM for account management or for a VIP section academy. And please, don't forget to like, comment, and share this video to as many as you can. Have a nice day, and I'll see you guys in my next upper video in forex trading training. Have a nice day. Like and comment, share, have fun, subscribe.